Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Rashmi Sharma and this is gonna be my first video. So, I have been thinking of doing this for quite some time, but I have been putting it off for one or the other reason. But now that we are finally doing this, I'm so excited. So, what are we gonna do for our first video? We are gonna film a no makeup look. So guys, I don't have any makeup on my face right now. It's completely clean and clear. So let's start with our first step. And what should always be our first step? To moisturize our face. And I'm gonna use a moisturizer called Cetaphil. I have been loving this moisturizer recently and it has been recommended by a lot of dermats to me. So I'll just show you the product. This is the one that I'm gonna use. And we are gonna use a generous amount of it. So let's just take a few dots and just put it on our faces. Guys, it's really moisturizing. Do keep in mind to cover all your face with this. It will really help with all the application. Guys, my skin is like Sahara desert dry and it really helps with this. Let me just pat it into my skin. I love the texture of this as well. We can use this on our hands and body as well. Yeah, I think I'm almost done with this. One more thing guys, I'm a real sucker for these moisturizers. So whatever your favorite moisturizer is, do comment down below and let me know. I would love to try them on. So next we are gonna prep our lips and I'm gonna use a lip butter from the Body Shop. But you can use whatever lip balm you like. So let's just dab it into our lips. And yeah, we are done. So next we are going to be using concealer to just dab on the areas where I have little pigmentation. So the product that I'm going to use is LA Pro Girl Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. So guys, this is the product. Now I'll start applying the concealer in the areas where I have some pigmentation. So I'll just start it under my eyes. Guys, थोड़ा amount ही लगाना है, ज़्यादा मत लगाइएगा, otherwise it will just start looking cakey. So I'm putting this at few places where I had breakouts. Now that I'm done, you can see that I have used very less quantity. I'll just take a wet sponge and I'll blend it. So now that I have blended everything, I feel like I need a little bit around my mouth as well. So guys, I know कि not everyone has concealer with them. At least I didn't had when I started doing makeup. So guys, आप क्या कर सकते हैं उसके लिए? आप अपना फाउंडेशन यूज़ कर सकते हैं. उसको आप एरियाज़ पे लगाइए जहाँ पे आप पिगमेंटेशन कवर करना चाहते हैं. वहाँ पे आप उसे 1-2 मिनट के लिए छोड़ दीजिए एंड देन ब्लेंड इट आउट. What happens is, जब आप प्रोडक्ट को स्किन पे थोड़ी देर के लिए छोड़ देते हैं, your skin just warms it up and it becomes thicker. It becomes the consistency of concealer. And आप easily ये trick use कर सकते हैं if you don't want to invest in concealer. Also guys, funny story about these pigmentations. I was talking to my sister. I just told her that my skin is behaving really great in this lockdown. And what happened the next day? I got breakouts. Not one, not two. 4 of them. What to do? Anyhow guys, let's just move on to next step. Next I am going to dust off the areas that I have just concealed with the loose powder in brand Colorbar in the shade Beach Classic. So I'll just take a little amount of product. I'll just dust it off and I'll just clean the areas where I have just concealed. वैसे ये थोड़ा ऑप्शनल स्टेप है गाइज, बट अगर आप ये करो तो आपका कंसीलर बहुत अच्छे से सेट हो जाता है. एंड अगर समर्स है या आप कि आप ऐसी जगह पे जाने वाले हो जहाँ यू विल स्वेट अ लॉट, तो दिस हेल्प्स अ लॉट. That's it. This is done. Next I'm gonna fill up my brows guys, and the product that I'm gonna use is Miss Claire Eyebrow Kit. I just randomly picked it out from a drugstore and it really works great and it is very affordable. This is the product guys. So I'm just gonna comb my eyebrows first. This is necessary guys. Before filling up your eyebrows, you should definitely comb it. And then next I am going to use this black shade from this palette and fill up my brows. So just go very light-handed on this and try to just like work around your natural brow lines. So I'm just gonna brush it again. और गाइस एकदम कॉर्नर तक ड्रॉ नहीं करना है, अदरवाइज इट विल लुक फेक. थोड़ा सा पीछे से करो एंड जस्ट ब्लेंड इट विद द ब्रश. I'll just move on to the next one. By the way, I have like really uneven brows. Just fill it up carefully. Take your time in doing this. This is one important step. And once you start doing this, there's no going back, guys. Just filling up the starting of my brows and just blending it in. Okay, we are done with the brows. So guys, now I'm just gonna tightline my eyes, and as you know, eyes are the most prominent feature on our face, so I just really love to highlight them, but it's your preference. You can use the kajal the way you like. You can even use it on your lower lashes. That also makes a great difference. It's just the way you prefer it. Yeah. By the way guys, the product that I was using was from Bobbi Brown. You can check out the product. Now we are almost done with our eyes guys. Only one thing is left, that is our mascara. The one I am using is from Maybelline. You can check out the product guys. I'll just curl my lashes and hop on to apply my mascara. Be careful guys while doing this. And never do this after applying your mascara. It will damage your lashes. So let's apply a thick and nice coat to give ourselves that, voluminous lashes. थोड़ा सा लोअर लैश लाइन पे भी. I'll do one more coat off camera because I like my lashes thick and long. We just got done with our eyes and then we'll move on to our lips. For lips, I'm going to use a lip liner pencil from the Body Shop, and the shade I'm going to use is Beige. So I'm just going to quickly outline my lips with this pencil. This is like the closest match to my lips. Guys, this is totally optional. If you want, you can directly move on to lipstick as well. Now guys, I'll quickly go ahead and fill in my lips with one of my favorite nude lipsticks, which is from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Golightly. So let's just get done with this quickly. We are almost done with this look. We only have one step left. We are going to use a highlighter stick to just give us that glow. and the one I am using is from Maybelline. You can check out the product, guys. I'm going to highlight the upper portions of my face, so I'm just gonna start with my cheeks. You just have to do it lightly because it's like not a very glamorous kind of look. I'll just blend it with my hands. Same on the other cheek. Just blend it. You can definitely build this up, guys. But I just want to, I love to keep it natural, so I'm just using one stroke. And tip of my nose. And a little on the bridge. And also you can build it up the way you like. अगर आपको बहुत flashy, blinding sort of look पसंद है तो definitely use more. But मुझे थोड़ा natural finish पसंद आता है with lighter makeup. So that's why I'm using this blender. इससे ये ना skin में बहुत अच्छे से mix हो जाता है. Glow तो आता है but it doesn't seem कि आपने बहुत सारा makeup किया हो. So guys, this makeup look is done. I hope आप लोग देख सकते हैं इन 10 मिनट्स में कितना डिफरेंस आया है. गाइस, मैंने कुछ एक्स्ट्रा, कुछ ड्रामेटिक कुछ नहीं किया. दिस इज़ माई गो टू लुक. सो मैंने बस अपने नेचुरल फीचर्स एनहांस किए हैं. एज यू कैन सी माई cheek bones are looking more sharp than before and I have just used highlighter. मैंने कुछ एक्स्ट्रा कॉन्टूरिंग एंड ऑल नहीं यूज़ किया है. एंड आप देख सकते हैं ब्राउज डिफाइंड होने से आईज में बहुत अच्छा, बहुत डिफरेंट लुक आता है. प्लस जो टाइट लाइनिंग हमने की थी आईज की, उससे हमारी आई लैशेस और भी डिफाइन लगती हैं. सो गाइज, ये थे मेरे कुछ टिप्स एंड मेरे कुछ एक्सपीरियंसेस. आप भी मुझे बताइए कि आपके 10 मिनट्स या आपका गो टू रूटीन क्या रहता है. आई वुड लव टू हियर इट इन कमेंट्स. तब तक के लिए, इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, प्लीज़ डू शेयर, लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू सी मोर सच कॉन्टेंट. एंड तब तक के लिए नमस्ते.